On the eve of a final verdict on Charles Shobraj, the Bikini Killer's lawyers now have claimed to have fresh evidence that will tilt the case in favour of Shobraj. Speaking exclusively to Times Now, Shobraj's lawyer claims that she has evidence that proves that the victim is not American tourist Connie Jo Bronzik, whom Shobraj is accused of having killed in 1975.
Of course, because new evidences, that means those documents which has been already preserved by a police department, and I have sorted out those documents, and we have provided those documents. That means one dead body was unidentified. That was not Lawrence Carrier's dead body. Basically, those 6 years it was not applied with other lawyers, and because these documents were kept by the police officers. So now we have got these documents. So we have produced these documents during written argument. July 30, the verdict will be given, and it will be the concrete verdict.
And Gitika is now joining us live. Gitika, what's the possibility of the court entertaining this new piece of evidence that Charles Shobraj's lawyers claim to have?
This comes as a significant development. In fact, Prerna, remember that the judgment in this case was due on the 14th of July, but now that the judges have another 15 days to decide on the fate of Charles Shobraj, this new development is of course substantial in a sense to the fate of Charles Shobraj. Remember, the arguments in the case had been closed at the end last week of June. With this particular evidence being submitted by Charles Shobraj's lawyers, this of course is going to have some form of an influence in the final verdict. Remember, as Shakuntala Thapa told us, that they had evidence to prove in the form of police documents as well as a letter from the American embassy, which show that the passport found in possession of the deceased, which is Connie Jo Bronzik,